Ganja, Jamaica's next big export? Alright folks, welcome back to Jamaica Bulletin Board. Today, we're diving into a topic that could shake up the economy, tourism, and possibly even Sunday dinner discussions: Jamaica's potential to lead the global ganja trade. Sir Richard Branson, yes, the billionaire behind Virgin Airlines and space travel, has declared that Jamaica could become a powerhouse in cannabis exports. He's seeing what Jamaicans have known for generations: our soil, climate, and cultural expertise in ganja cultivation make us prime contenders for the world market. But let's break this down. If Jamaica fully commits to the legal ganja trade, expect to see official ganja exports, no more sneaky airport suitcase situations. We'd finally have ganja with paperwork. Tourism getting a boost. Forget Dunn's River. Visitors might soon be signing up for high-altitude tours and sunset meditation retreats powered by Westmoreland's finest herb. New business ventures. Imagine walking into your neighborhood shop and seeing a Ganja Specials section right next to the bag juice and cheese tricks. Mad, sick, head no good again. Imagine tourists confessing that they came to get their brains blown. And let's talk about Jamaican reactions. Some folks are fully on board, saying, "Me tell you no long time say de weed business ago ton big." Others are concerned about over-commercialization, grumbling, "Me can't deal with no uptown, ganja laddie foolishness." Meanwhile, every uncle with a backyard is suddenly a ganja farmer, predicting financial freedom once international exports kick in. But of course, the big questions remain. Will Jamaica finally embrace ganja trade as a true national industry? Can we compete globally while keeping things authentic? Will Branson invest, or was he just passing through for nostalgia's sake? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Should Jamaica run with this opportunity or just stick to selling coconut water and beach views? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a news roundup over here, because life is too serious to take seriously. What good?